This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, this is Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the DowJones30 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. Let's start here by looking at the DowJones30 futures chart. Dow currently trading at 34,161. We're pretty much testing that August 16th highs here up at around 34,200. Now, of course, we have seen some weakness during today's trading session so far. Well, sorry, not the trading session, but in the pre-markets ahead of today's trading session. We're down around 0.5%. This is on news coming out of China that there's been protests over the weekend due to the fact that most of their population are still in lockdown. So lots of frustration from a Chinese population, and of course that is causing some slightly negative sentiment going into this new trading week. MACD line still looking quite strong above its signal line, believe it or not, all the way up at 730. The RSI is, still telling us that we are slightly overbought. If I just bring up that RSI for you now, we've come a very long way in a very short period of time. We're hovering around the overbought territory, dipping in and out of this purple channel, currently at 67.38, so we are pretty much at that overbought territory right now. But I'm still quite bullish going into next month, and one thing that I really like here is that the 50-day EMA is piercing above the 200-day EMA. Now, for those who don't know what that means it's starting to form a bullish crossover, and we haven't seen that for a very long time here for the Dow. In fact, last time that occurred was all the way back in April. And, we quickly look at the S&P 500. We haven't seen that in a very long time. In fact, the last time we saw a bullish crossover would be all the way at the beginning of the COVID pandemic, which was all the way back on Wednesday, 10th of June 2020, and look at the rally that occurred after that happened, and it's the same for the Nasdaq 100. We haven't seen that bullish crossover in a very long time, so this is very positive for the Dow. Hopefully the Dow can lead the other indices higher in the coming months, especially the first couple of quarters of next year, but many investors are anticipating some negative volatility as we do go into January next month, but the market is always right, and the investors could be wrong, and we could see this thing continue to trade higher in the coming weeks and months. And if that is the case, then I think 35,200 is the next target.